going on, my peoples? Today we got some New York strip steak, and we're gonna make that today with some. We're gonna make it on the griddle today, the Black and Decker, and today we're gonna have that with some mushrooms. So let's go. We're gonna get this steak washed. We're gonna clean it. We're gonna clean it with some lemon. So let's go. And today we're keeping it simple. We're gonna have some Old Bay. You already know about this Old Bay, right? A little bit of black pepper, and we're gonna go with steakhouse today, steakhouse seasoning. And the reason why I'm keeping it simple, because steakhouse seasoning contains pretty much everything that you need. It contains garlic, paprika, salt. It pretty much got everything in it, so we're gonna try that out today. I really don't use that a lot, so we're gonna give it a try today. So let's go. We're gonna get the black pepper on top of this steak right here, this New York strip steak. So let's go, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're gonna put this in on here. This sauce, this spice right here is so good, y'all. I'm telling you. So good. This right here, I'm telling you. Make you wanna slap your grandma. But don't slap her though. Put that all over. Don't be scared. Don't be scared to put the thing on it. And now this, you gotta be careful with it, because remember this right here contains salt in it. So go easy with this one. I'm gonna go easy. I'm gonna go easy. And now we just gonna massage it in there, get it all in the meat, and we're gonna make sure it's on the sides. A lot of people don't like to season their meat, man. They just throw black pepper and salt on it and think it's seasoned, And then we're gonna flip it over, and we're gonna repeat the process. I had to rinse my hand, got all that seasoning over my hand. And this New York strip, I like to cook it at medium. I don't like it well done. I cook it medium. That's the way I like it. So let me get the black pepper up in here. Massage it. And we're gonna run this bad boy at 250 degrees, and we're gonna adjust if need to be. So let's go. I'm gonna turn that bad boy up to 300 degrees, and we're gonna I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna time this, and I'm gonna tell you how long it takes me to flip this. So it's been like 3 minutes. I'm just trying to get a nice color going on both sides, because I'm gonna show you guys a little trick in a minute on how to get your steak or your meat nice and juicy. So we're gonna flip it, and then we're gonna flip it back, then we're gonna flip it back again, then we're gonna flip it back again. It's gonna be like Flipper. Remember Flipper? In my opinion, New York strip is a very underappreciated cut of the steak. This is a very tasty part of the steak right here. I'm telling you. Flip it right again. Flip it. Cooking nice and tender. Nice. And I did turn this up to 350 degrees. So what I'm gonna do, alright. So picture yourself with a grill, right? So you know how you can close your grill. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna flip it one more time, and then we're gonna get some I'll show you guys. So right here I got a little bit of water, not too much, right? And I'm not trying to throw this water on the meat. I'm trying to throw it on the grill to try to get a little moist. Let me show you. Okay, now once I get that moisture going, what I'm gonna do is cover it with a little foil pan. Now I'm gonna let that sit there for like 2 to 3 minutes. Let's go.